Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we studied the theory behind the accounting equation. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go check it out. I'll drop the link in the description box. It will help you understand the concept we are about to cover. Now that we have covered the theory, let's dive deeper into the calculation and practical application of the accounting equation. We will be looking into some examples. Example 1. Ada's business has liabilities of 140,000 naira, consisting only her loan from bank, and she has an equity of 200,000 naira. What are Ada's assets? Solution. To find Ada's assets, using the accounting equation from our previous knowledge, assets equals liability plus equity. Assets will be equal to 140,000 naira liabilities plus 200,000 naira equity, which gives a total of 340,000 naira. Therefore, Ada's assets are 340,000 naira. Let's move to example 2. Example 2. Umar business has assets of 600,000 naira, consisting his cash, equipment and inventory, and an equity of 400,000 naira. What are Umar's liabilities? So to find Umar's liabilities, using the accounting equation, asset equals liability plus equity, we have to rearrange the equation by subtracting equity from assets and making liabilities the subject of the formula. That is, liabilities equals assets minus equity. So liability equals 600,000 naira asset minus 400,000 naira equity, which is equals to 200,000 naira. Therefore, Umar's liabilities are 200,000 naira. Let's move to example 3. Example 3. Aisha's business has assets of 450,000 naira, which consists of her cash, equipment and inventory. She also have liabilities worth 250,000 naira, which is her loan from bank. What is Aisha's equity? Solution. To find Aisha's equity using the accounting equation, assets equals liability plus equity. Assets 450,000 naira equals 250,000 naira, which is the liability plus equity, which we are to find. So to find equity, we will rearrange the equation to make equity the subject of the formula by subtracting liabilities from assets. That is, equity equals 450,000 naira, which is our assets, minus 250,000 naira, which is our liabilities. So 450,000 naira minus 250,000 naira will give us 200,000 naira. Therefore, Aisha's equity is 200,000 naira. We have successfully applied the accounting equation to some examples. Don't forget to practice what you have learned by working through some additional examples. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe if you are yet to. If you would like to explore more accounting topics, be sure to hit the notification bell and stick to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.